Chicken stir-fry with peppers is tastier than takeout. It's very quick and easy to make. Go ahead and take some fresh boneless chicken, then carefully cut it up into uniform medium-sized pieces for your recipe. Transfer everything to a bowl, then add ground pepper, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, dried garlic, and starch. Finally, mix it all together. Set aside, and in the meantime, chop the vegetables. It's better to use bell peppers of 3 different colors so the dish looks even more appetizing. We'll also need half an onion, and finely chop a couple of garlic cloves. And I'll also take some green onions. In a separate container for the sauce, mix soy sauce, oyster sauce, apple cider vinegar, sugar, cornstarch, a little oil, and water. Mix well until smooth, so there are no lumps. Heat up a frying pan, add a little oil, and start frying the chicken. Fry over high heat until golden brown on both sides. Once the chicken's nicely browned, remove it from the pan. Now, add the onion and minced garlic to the pan. Sauté for just a minute to let them release their aroma. Then return the chicken to the pan. Now, add the pepper. After a few minutes, once the pepper has sautéed, stir the sauce and add it to the pan. Cook, stirring for just a couple more minutes until the sauce thickens. Finally, go ahead and sprinkle the top with some toasted sesame seeds. Be sure to try making this incredibly simple and delicious recipe at home for your next meal. I'm sure it won't disappoint you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.